Welcome back to Lumicore Labs. Day 12. It's practice day for lists. Last time you learned how to create lists, access items by index, add and remove elements, and use methods like sort and len. Today we're going to use those skills in 3 short, practical challenges. Simple, useful, and designed to make lists feel natural. As always, pause after each challenge. Try it yourself first, then watch my solution. Let's get started. Challenge 1. Build a favorite foods list. Create an empty list. Then ask the user for 3 foods, one at a time, and add each one to the list using append. Finally, print the whole list. This tests list creation and the append method. Pause now and try it yourself. This is the simplest list pattern there is. Start empty, use append to add items one by one, and print at the end. You'll use this pattern in almost every program that works with lists. Let me show you my solution. Notice how each input is immediately followed by an append. This keeps the code clean and makes it clear what's being added. I'll enter pizza, sushi, and pasta. After each one, append adds it to the list. At the end, the list contains all 3. Look at the output, brackets, commas, everything. That's your first interactive list. Challenge 2. Find the largest number in a list. The list is given 45, 22, 88, 56, 91, 33. Use a for loop to find the maximum. Don't use Python's built-in max function. Here's a hint. Start by assuming the first item is the largest. Then loop through the rest and update whenever you find something bigger. Pause and try it. This is a classic algorithm. It's not about Python. It's about thinking like a programmer. How would you find the largest number in a pile? You'd look at each one and remember the biggest you've seen so far. That's exactly what the code does. The key is the comparison inside the loop. If number greater than largest. If the current number is bigger than anything we've seen before, it becomes the new largest. By the end of the loop, largest holds the maximum. I'll run it. The loop checks each number. 45 is the starting point. 22, not bigger. 88, bigger. Update. 56, not bigger. 91 bigger. Update. 33 not bigger. Final answer 91. 6 numbers, 1 loop, correct result. Challenge 3. Remove duplicates from a list. The given list has repeated numbers 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5. Create a new list that contains only unique values. Keep the order of first appearance. Hint: loop through the original list. Before adding an item to the new list, check if it's already there using the in keyword. Pause and give it a shot. Start with an empty list. Loop through the original. For each item, ask, is this item already in my unique list? If no, append it. If yes, skip it. Simple logic, powerful result. The in keyword checks whether an item exists in a list. If item not in new list, that's the condition you need. Only add the item if it hasn't been added before. This pattern is incredibly useful for data cleaning. Let's trace through it. 1. Not in the empty list, append. 2. Not in the list, append. 2 again, it is already there, skip. 3. Not there, append. 4. Append. 4 again, skip. 5. Append. The original had 7 items. The unique list has 5. If your code didn't work, check these 4 things. First, when using append, did you start with an empty list? Second, for finding the largest, did you initialize largest to numbers 0 before the loop? Third, for removing duplicates, did you use if item not in unique list? Fourth, did you print the final list to actually see the result? Great work today. 3 challenges, 3 practical list operations. In the next video, we're exploring tuples, sets, and dictionaries, the other essential data structures in Python. Hit the like button and subscribe to Lumicore Labs and tell me, which challenge was hardest for you? See you on day 13.